Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Volvo S60 T5. 2021 Volvo S60 T5 Momentum, where luxury meets performance. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a transmission. This Volvo has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2021 Volvo S60 T5 Momentum, a sleek, stylish sedan with brains, beauty, and brawn. Under the hood, a spirited 2.0L turbo i4 engine delivers 250 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, offering performance that's as thrilling as it is smooth. Wrapped in a sophisticated black stone exterior with a plush charcoal leather interior, this car defines modern luxury. Enjoy an impressive 22 city/33 highway MPG, making every drive efficient and fun. With a clean CARFAX and excellent overall condition, it's as reliable as it is refined. Test drive the extraordinary today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.